How to add an adjustment layer in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added some clips to my timeline and I want to add a blur effect to all of them. If I wanted to add the effect to all of them, it would be time consuming. So, it is better to use an adjustment layer. Go to Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop an adjustment clip in the above track and adjust its duration to match all your clips. Now drag your desired effect to the adjustment clip. And now all the clips below my adjustment clip are blurred. Another use case of adjustment clips is to zoom in on all the clips at once. Select the adjustment clip and go to the inspector. Here, increase the zoom a little bit. You can see that all the clips below my adjustment clip are zoomed in. Adjustment layers are powerful tools that we can use to add effects, do zoom or transform, and do color grading for multiple clips at once. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.